AeroVillage, Panheli, one of the most unique resorts where you can fly in through this plane from Mumbai, Pune and Goa. Charter services are operational only for all seasons except monsoon. This is the room tour. Wooden rooms, AC, and if you just see, come down, charging sockets, bed, side tables. Bed is quite comfortable for two people to sleep in. Small rooms. The best thing you will see is it doesn't come with a TV or a telephone. So if you're looking for a digital detox, this is one of the best places to be amidst the nature. These are the amenities you will be providing. You will be provided with rather. You have a refrigerator at the bottom there, just to the corner. And I will say, if you are having 2 to 3 days time, you should definitely pay a visit to this AeroVillage in Panheli, Raigad district, Maharashtra. This is your storage, and just if you go straight and to your left, you have the washrooms, standard washroom. And I'll give you a full detailed tour of the property also. The best thing is it's all wooden. Just look at the noise. It's well maintained considering it's wooden, and if you get a chance, you definitely come and visit this. You will love this place.